Hello friend, welcome back. In our previous video, we successfully designed our home slider and also get all the data from the database, a specific one ID data. We successfully get this data, right? Here we successfully get our one ID data, which is totally fine. So now friend, in this video, I want to install one of the Laravel package. If you go to that Google and if you search with the image intervention, okay, intervention Laravel, I just simply search with it. Now you can see that is imageintervention.io. If you go to particular their website, now you can see that is our website. So into this website right now is stable. Also there is another version as a version 3. So right now for this course I will use that version 2 because that is most popular and easy all that process. Like if you install that image intervention package, you can see there have so many APIs. You can now able to access it, and there have some of the rotate option, the save option, the resize, and that is actually the resize. So I want to do when our images will be saved in our database, I want to resize that image. Okay, you can do a lot of work actually. I will actually use only the resize. You can see there is a resize by the height and then wide. You can actually submit it. So first of all, we have to install it. If you want to install it, that is one of the menu as the installation. If you click as the installation, and here first of all we have to run as a PHP. There is a composer, a require intervention image. Okay, and then we have to do also some of the work. Like in here we have to add that provider, we have to add that aliases, and then we have to publish it. Like first of all I want to install it. If you want to install, simply copy it. We don't need to use that any PHP. We don't need to use that as a var. Okay, only that composer required will be enough. Better I copy it. Now I want to install that things in our project. So that is our project. Here I want to paste it. As I told you, right now we don't need to use that var. I want to remove it. So then only that will be as a composer require and then intervention image. Okay, now if you click as a enter, it will be downloaded all that file from to the internet. You can see it's now downloading. So it's downloaded that packages in your system. So it may take little time, friend. When it will be done, then I'll come back again. Here you can see it's now successfully installed. You can see it's very small one of the package. It's now successfully installed. So make that sure you run the PHP composer require intervention image, and now it's successfully installed. Great. And after that we have to do some of the work. Like if you go to our installation, I have already installed it, and then we have to do in our config and app.php. Here we have to add that providers. I simply copy it and now go to our project. Into this project that have also another folder as a config. You can see there is a config and then app.php, right? So there is a config and then app.php. They have some of the providers. I copy it and now go to our app.php. They have some of the, you can see there are some of the package providers, and into this providers package I want to do and to add it. Okay, I simply add it. Great. And also I make it as a comma. Okay, so then that will be as a comma. Perfect. That will be our first part, and also we have to add another one as the aliases. I simply copy it. Okay, copy it, and now in our aliases here that is nothing, so I only want to do and to paste it. So then that will be enough. Okay, I simply loaded that images in our aliases area, which is totally fine. In Laravel 8 there have so many aliases, but in Laravel 9 there have only one. Okay, right now I simply added that part. Now I want to do and to save it. Click as a save all, and after that we have to publish. Okay, so now I simply copy it as a PHP artisan total command. I copy it, and now if you go to our project, so here I have already installed it. Now I paste it. Sorry, here right now I want to do and to copy it again. I copy it, and now I want to do and to paste it. So after that, if you click as a enter, now that will be published. You can see it's now publishing complete. That means right now our package, image intervention package, is now successfully installed in our project. Right now we don't need this. So that is one of the packages. So how to use this package, by this package, how can resize your images, because from here I want to now upload some of the image. Okay, so how can do this work? But I want to continue this process. In our next video I will show you that things with the live example. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.